Welcome back to Best Reviews. Today, we're exploring 5 of the most advanced bionic hands in the world. From innovative control systems to cutting-edge design, these prosthetic hands are transforming lives with technology and precision. Let's get started. Number 5. The Hero RGD Bionic Arm. The Hero RGD is a modern myoelectric hand designed to provide natural control and versatility. With advanced sensors, it interprets muscle signals from the user's arm and translates them into smooth hand movements. The Hero RGD focuses on intuitive function, offering multiple grip patterns that allow users to perform everyday tasks with greater ease. Its lightweight build makes it comfortable for long-term wear, while its sleek design blends technology with practicality. Number 4. Speedhand Solution by Ottobock. Ottobock has long been known for pushing prosthetic innovation forward, and the Speedhand solution is no exception. This hand emphasizes speed and efficiency, delivering rapid response times to user inputs. It supports a variety of grips, including power grips and precision grips, helping with both heavy lifting and delicate tasks. Built with robust materials, the Speedhand is designed to withstand everyday challenges while maintaining a natural appearance and movement profile. Number 3. The COVVI Hand. The COVVI Hand is a fully modular, highly adaptive prosthetic hand. It is engineered with a focus on personalization, allowing users to tailor the hand to their unique needs. Each digit is individually powered, enabling more natural and independent finger movement. Its connectivity features allow for regular software updates and customization through mobile apps. With up to 24 grip patterns available, the COVVI Hand stands out as one of the most versatile prosthetic hands on the market today. Number 2. The Esper Hand 2. The Esper Hand 2 is designed with advanced AI-driven control, making it one of the most intelligent prosthetic hands available. It uses machine learning to adapt to the user's movement patterns over time, creating a smoother and more intuitive experience. With its lightweight structure and soft touch materials, it provides both comfort and precision. The Esper Hand 2 is also capable of multi-grip functionality, making it practical for everything from everyday activities to more complex tasks. Number 1. The Ability Hand by PSYONIC. The Ability Hand by PSYONIC. Known as one of the most advanced prosthetic hands, it's equipped with tactile feedback sensors in the fingertips, allowing users to actually feel what they touch. Its durability sets it apart, as it's impact-resistant and even waterproof, making it highly functional in a wide range of environments. The Ability Hand is also one of the fastest bionic hands, providing quick and reliable responses to muscle signals. With its innovative technology and user-focused design, it represents a significant step forward in prosthetic hand development. And that wraps up our look at 5 groundbreaking bionic hands shaping the future of prosthetics. These devices are more than just tools. They're life-changing innovations that restore independence and open new possibilities. Stay tuned for more insights into the latest technology shaping our world. Thank you for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this overview of the world's most advanced bionic hands, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest innovations.